The Breast Cancer Deadline 2020 was a very thoughtful and very in-depth response to our looking at how the breast cancer world and the breast cancer research agenda and all of the advocacy work we've all done, how successful have we been over these last 20 years? And our response and our answer to that question was really, we have a great deal more to do. We also felt that the forces were being dissipated. There's a sort of a fracturing of focus. There's a lessening of the sense of urgency. Breast cancer has become very pink and very well funded, and somehow there's a sense that an awful lot has been accomplished in terms of breast cancer. But when we look at the fact that 40,000 women and men every year die of breast cancer just in the United States, and that over 522,000 women and men die worldwide every single year, we don't consider that to be an accomplishment. And so our feeling was we have to reinsert the sense of urgency. We have to look at what the most important areas of focus are that will get us to understanding what will end breast cancer. And those two areas of focus we decided were preventing the disease from happening in the first place, and preventing the spread preventing the deaths by breast cancer through metastasis. Metastasis is what kills more than 90% of people. And so this was our attempt to to change the status quo, to shake things up, and to put a deadline. Deadlines change everything. We all know that the polio vaccine was created in 7 years because of a deadline. A man was put on the moon in 10 years because there was a national priority set and there was a deadline. We feel that a deadline will really reinvigorate the field and will set us on the road to getting some real answers. And so that's what we're doing. And we are gathering together in the research area a project called Artemis, the Artemis Project, and that is a collaboration, and it's an advocate-led collaboration of researchers, people from all sorts of disciplines, economists, biophysicists, evolutionary biologists, chemists, digital people, data mining people, people from all various communities and disciplines who will bring different perspectives to this problem. I mean, a physicist will look at tumor proliferation in a very different way than a cell biologist, and the same for an engineer. And so we're bringing all these people together, and we're working on two projects right now. One is a prophylactic vaccine, a preventive vaccine, and we're in our 4th year of working on that, and our goal is to get into a clinical trial by the end of 2020, in the next 3 to 4 years. The other area in the metastasis field is work on tumor dormancy, trying to understand why, after women have been treated for breast cancer, there is this period where tumor cells, which we know are still circulating, are quiet, they're dormant, they're quiescent. And at some point, for some people, for at least 30% of people, they wake up and a tumor the tumor returns or it recurs in a different form, and it goes on often to become metastatic. And so we're trying to understand that and trying to figure out how to keep those cells dormant and how to prevent them from waking up. Visit our website, www.breastcancerdeadline2020.org, for more information about Breast Cancer Deadline 2020 of the National Breast Cancer Coalition.
Hi, I'm Wendy Hartley, co-founder of Breast Cancer Answers. You know, not every breast cancer patient benefits from chemotherapy. When I was diagnosed, my doctor thought I would need chemotherapy. But then I learned about the Oncotype DX test, which helps your doctor decide if chemotherapy could benefit you based on the unique biology of your tumor. My test results revealed I had a very low chance of my cancer returning, which meant I didn't need chemotherapy after all. To learn more about the Oncotype DX test, click this button here.